Roby 1. I'm out here in Warren, Mass, in the way back side of Pine Grove Cemetery, and I'm naming this one Walking the Path of a Murderer, because I had a feeling if you look up there you can see the block off and bring it down, and there's one over there in the distance. So they don't ever want this path to be used again. And this is where Molly was abducted, right here, down in this back. There could have been like 10 people here waiting for her. I believe it was more than one person involved. And this is the path that brings you to Cummins Pond. And we're gonna walk the path. And we're just gonna keep it cordial. There's people down here swimming. I'm surprised people are swimming today. And they could be here in a dedication to Molly, but I don't want to rain on anyone's parade. But obviously she was carried this whole way up. You think one man who smoked could have carried her this whole way up? And without her having a struggle? Was chlorophyll used? This area is so big and vast. It's my guess that you could maybe still find some kind of evidence of her over here digging through these woods. I get poison ivy now, so I gotta be careful where I go. And there's little sub trails that they look like at one point that was a trail down there. Kids today don't ride the trails, but this seems to be the trail that people still walk. I was trying to figure out how it connects, but where I just showed you up there, and then you go up towards those block-offs, to the right is a cul-de-sac over there. And it's just like a dead-end area with a hill, and it's all dry sand. And that could be another area. I don't know if that area was there when she was abducted, but we're growing up on Cummins Pond right over here. If you look close, here's another path. I don't know where this path goes. My guess is it goes around the pond. I'm gonna have to bring my mountain bike up here because I'm not walking the whole way around. I just wanted to see exactly where they abducted Molly. And you know, you figure I'm walking a few minutes, you're carrying a person who's struggling up this. And right down there is where the pond is. And it's really nice. There's people having a good time down there. And that, I believe, is the chair that Molly was on. This is the specific area, and it's very secluded. Poor Molly. Look at this. There's a fire here at one point. The trees down. But what a nice day. A little sub trails getting down there. Looks like a nice swim too. People are out here enjoying their day. I don't want to stop the people. They're having too much fun. But I'm going to bring it down here. Cummins Pond. It's named after Issachar Cummins, which is on page 122 in the Sylvia Buck history book. Ooh, nice wind. Woo! In the gematria of Cummins Pond, there's also 122 if you want to go into the numerology. Look at these guys over here, already sweating me, wondering what I'm doing here. So look at the other side over there. I'll film them, I don't care. What are you going to do? I got my knife. There's a creek out there. Still hasn't been found. And until then, I'm going to carry my knife. Nice. I've actually never been over here. It's super pretty. I don't know where the Parkway car was that they were talking about. I imagine this is where they parked. Came over here to go swimming. But right here, Cummins Pond, the path of a murderer. Unfortunately, I blocked it, but Molly, may you rest in peace, and may your family find peace one day. You're in my prayers. Everyone out there, have a nice day.